Binary to decimal conversion. Here binary numbering system consists of only two digits. Only two digits that are the 0 and 1. That are the 0 and 1. So suffix of binary is 2. Suffix of binary is 2. The decimal numbering system consists of 10 digits, that is 0 to 9. So suffix of decimal numbering system is 10. Suffix of decimal numbering system is 10. Example 101101 101101. This is the binary number. This is the binary number. For this conversion, here we consider the LSB. The rightmost digit is considered as an LSB, least significant bit. And leftmost digit is considered as most significant bit. Least significant bit. We start at the LSB. Just simply you write LSB 1 0 1 1 0 1. Next, from the first digit we start at 2 power 0. Next, 2 power 1, 2 square, 2 cube, 2 power 4, 2 power 5. First you write like this. Next, 1 into 2 power 5. 1 into 2 power 5 plus 1 into 2 power 5 plus 1 into 2 power 5 plus. Next, here 0. So 0 into 2 power 4. 0 into 2 power 4 plus 1 into 2 cube. 1 into 2 cube plus 1 into 2 square plus 0 into 2 power 1. 0 into 2 power 1 plus 1 into 2 power 0. 1 into 2 power 0. Next step. 1 into 2 power 5. 1 into 2 power 5 means 32. Plus 0 into 2 power 4, 16. 2 power 4, 16. That means 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. Plus 1 into 8. 1 into 8. Plus 1 into 4. 2 square. 2 2s are 4. 1 into 4. Plus 0 into 2 power 1 means 2 only. 2 power 1 means 2 only. Plus 1 into 2 power 0. 2 power 0 means what? 1. Anything power 0? 1. All of you remember this one, ma? Anything power 0? 1 only. Anything power 0? 1 only. Next. 1 into 32? 32. Plus 0 into 16. That means 0 into anything? 0. Plus 1 into 8? 8. Plus 1 into 4? 4. Plus 0 into anything? 0. Plus 1 into 1? 1 only. 1 into 1? 1. Next, 32 plus 8 plus 4 plus 1. 32 plus 8 plus 4 plus 1. What do you get final answer? 32 plus 8, 40. 40 plus 4, 44. 44 plus 1, 45. 45. This is the hexadecimal. This is the hexadecimal. So, for the binary 101101, we get decimal number as 45. Decimal number as 45. Now we verify 45 decimal number is a, for the binary number 101101 is not. Decimal number is 45. Conversion takes place to the binary, so that's why divided by 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. Remainder 1. Again 2 11s are 0. 2 5s are 10. 1. 2 2s are 4. 1. 2 1s are 2. 2 1s are 2. So remainder is 0. Again we get this one here from bottom to top. From the bottom to top. What do you get from the bottom to top? 1 0 1 0 1 1 0 1. 1 0 1 1 0 1. 1 0 1 1 0 1. This is nothing but a binary number. Both are same. 1 0. These two are same. Like this, we go through the verification also from binary to decimal conversion.